Hi, I'm Seth Aaron. For the first time in history, we're able to bring 3D printed shoes here to the runway at Fashion Next.
My name's Lucy, and I'm the chief cobbler of Feetz. Fashion is not just about beautiful design, but it's also about sustainability. Feetz is here to say, let's leave the world a better place when we leave it than when we joined it. This has been a great collaboration. What is amazing about it is it went from idea to sketch to prototyping to a live runway show and being for sale in 8 weeks. It's the world first, and that's what 3D printing of Feetz can do.
So we're here and Feetz made it happen, and we're going right into the show.
So cool. These are like the coolest shoes ever. They're 3D printed. These are so comfortable. The best heels ever. I'm going to purchase these.
They feel like tennis shoes, but they're platforms. They're incredible. I love them so much.